Hey, hello guys, this is SRINIVAS the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 3rd September 2021. Here this is the problem they have given, largest integer, positive and negative. The program must accept an integer and on the first line and the second line it will accept n space separated integer which includes both positive and negative values. We just need to print the maximum value which has a pair, like the maximum number should contains the respective negative number. Here in this case, since we have a 6 is the greatest number, it doesn't have a pair, right? So we can avoid that. And the next maximum number is 4. It has a 4 it's a negative sign, so it has a pair, so we just need to print the positive 4. Here in this case, even though the 3 has pair, like it has repeated twice, but it's not a negative value, right? So we just need to find the negative pair. 2 has only the negative pair, so we just need to print 2. So if we can't able to find any pairs, we just need to print -1 as usual. So let's solve this in a programmatical way. First input part, n equal to int of input. I'm damn sure we are not going to use this n value anymore, like anywhere. So let's get into the list. List equal to list of map of in comma input dot split. So now we have the list value, right? So instead of iterating to all the values, I'm just going to pick the positive one and I'm going to check if it has negative value. So go for it. Positive equal to a set with a map function in it. It just contains lambda x if no, we can't do that, right? Can we? X greater than 0 x x if x greater than 0, else nothing. Comma, okay, let me put 0 comma list. So let me print the positive pairs. Here I'm putting the value 1 5 1 -1 2 -2 -2 and 4. Now we got 0 1 2 4. That 0 is one which we have added, right? So we don't have to worry about that. Can I give something like this? Else none. Yeah, we are getting a error, so let me put 0 here and I'm going to iterate through this positive for I in positive if negative of I is in list. We just need to print the maximum value, right? So let me take a value maximum. No, I'm not going to do that. M equal to -1 default, M equal to max of m comma I. Print m m where that 5 comes. Okay, if I do that, we will get 2 because 2 has the pair, right? Positive and negative, and it is the maximum. Then 1. So if I do that for 4, 3 minus 3, 6 minus 4, we have already done that, right? So let me go for negative with the duplicates. 6, 2, 2, 2, 3, minus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are getting 2 because 2 has the only pair. So let me go for the third input. 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 0. We are getting 0. That's what I have. And we are getting minus 1. That's fine. We are getting 2 here. That's also fine. A final check. Yeah, it's working fine. Here, this is the code for you. The reason why I have added I here, because we are adding the 0 manually. Like the 0 is not, can be a positive or negative number, right? So if you are checking for negative 0, it will return 0, and that 0 is already present in the list, right? Wait a minute. The list shouldn't have any 0. Yeah, even though the list has 0, it doesn't have any pairs, right? So we can't able to print 0. And they have told that the x values greater than 0, so we don't have to specify this condition, but just go for it. See you soon with come on. See you soon with something else tomorrow, guys. Until then, bye.